Hello, and thank you for watching Engage Black's demo video on Java Jarsigner using our BlackVault hardware security module as your key store. We have more demo videos that cover a variety of topics on our website as well. In order to begin, you will need Java installed and configured. Configuring Java is rather simple. When you are installing your client software, you will be asked if you would like to set up Java. Select Yes and it will set up Java for you. Here we will test that Java is working. Use the list keys using the key tool command. It will show you that there is nothing in it because the BlackVault is blank. It is brand new and has just been initialized. In order to set up Jarsigner, we are going to need to have a key. To create the key, the command is keytool genkey. Key store, we are telling it none, but use pkcs11. Alias, we are telling it key name here. We are going to create a 2048 RSA key. It is going to ask us for some information and create a self-signed certificate. We are going to fill it out. We are going to say John Smith, Marketing, Engage Black, Aptos, California, United States. We are being asked if this information is correct. Review it and select Yes. And it's done. So when we use key tool list again, it is going to show us a private key and a certificate. But we can't use a self-signed certificate to sign files if we're wanting to distribute it because no one is going to trust a self-signed certificate. So we need to create a certificate signing request to go get it signed by a CA that people will trust. To create a certificate signing request, again we are going to use keytool, but we are going to use the certrec command. And then the file that we are going to output here too. It is going to create the certificate sign request based upon the information we gave it for the self-signed certificate. And you can see that it popped up on our desktop right here. Now we can go get that signed by a CA, which we are going to do, and then we will come back. Now that we have signed our certificate, we will open it up here. You can see it has the root CA, the intermediate CA, and the actual certificate. Now we will import it using the key tool, but this time the import command. It's a trusted CA cert, and tell it to associate it with a key name. It is not familiar with the cert because we signed it using a local root CA. It hasn't figured that out yet, but that's alright because the computers that we are delivering this to have the root CA installed. So for our circumstances, we will press Yes. Then we will open our hello world.jar application that you can see on our desktop here. It's a very simple program. All it does is output hello world, so we are going to go ahead and get that signed by using the Jarsigner command. And tell it to sign it using my key name here. It is going to sign it. It is going to output a complaint again because it doesn't know who that root CA is, and also that we did not provide a timestamp. That is fine for right now. We can verify the jar using Jarsigner again. It will say it is verifying and it will output. We can still run the command as you can see here. And that's how we sign a jar using the BlackVault. It's very similar to how you would normally do it. You are just telling Java that the key store is the BlackVault HSM. And that completes our demo video on Java Jarsigner using Engage Black's BlackVault hardware security module as your key store. For further information, check out our other videos on our website. If you still have further questions, contact our customer support and we will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.